Gorman-Rupp offers a variety of control panel options. This video demonstrates the Soft Starter, Gorman-Rupp's intermediate control panel. This starter controls the ability to gradually increase or decrease the pump's speed at the beginning and end of the pump cycle to minimize hydraulic shock. The fire hose inserted into the discharge line makes the impact on flow easy to see. The soft starter eliminates the sudden and forceful hammering effect that the across-the-line starter can cause. When working in an application where the hammering effect could be destructive, or there's a need for some control over the start and stop of flow, the soft starter is an ideal solution.